Nano Banana 2 just dropped and it's taking the internet by storm. When Nano Banana first came out, it was already really good, but now with Nano Banana 2, it is even better. This tool was built for creative workflows, and Nano Banana 2 helps you create professional level content at scale, and it's also cost effective. This model is more accurate, it's more detailed, and it looks even more realistic than the original Nano Banana. It maintains consistency across characters and products, and it's ideal for creating high volumes of images because you can create multiple images quickly with just one prompt. It's now available on Artlist, so let me show you a few examples of how it looks, how I use it in my workflow, and how you can create multiple epic images with this for social media, for your website, your business, or to post them as ads. Let's get right to it. You can check out the new Nano Banana 2 on Gemini. Simply head to the app and you can type in anything you want and click on the Create Image button here, and it will now use the Nano Banana 2 model. Once you hit Submit, you can see that it's loading Nano Banana 2, and here is the output image. However, as you can see, we have this watermark in the bottom right corner. But if you have specific aspect ratios in mind, or you want to create multiple images at once, or if you don't want to be rate capped by the couple of images that Gemini allows you to create every day, then I recommend that you head over to Artlist. Once you click on the link in the description, you'll be led to Artlist, and this platform has all of the latest AI image and AI video models. And there's a new video model coming out called Seedance 2 that I'm super excited to cover, and I've seen some early videos of Seedance 2 and it is completely stunning. So subscribe to this channel and I'll cover that in detail as soon as it's public and you can use it on Artlist. But let's get back to Nano Banana 2. To create images, simply click on this card right here or select the toolkit and click on video and image. On the left-hand side, you can select between image, video, or voiceover. Since Nano Banana 2 is an AI image model, I'm going to stay on the image section and I'm going to click on the Nano Banana tab right here. As you can see here, we can now select this because this was just released today. And we can even see that this is cheaper than the Nano Banana Pro model, which I love because I expected them to make it more expensive than the Pro model because it's even better. To start using it, we can now go here and click on time square at night, but with no people. And we can say, give me 5 variations and make it artsy. And now we can select 5 images at once, and it will now generate 5 images all at once about the same thing. We also have complete control over the aspect ratios, so I think this would be best seen in 3:2, and hit enter.
A few moments later.
And here's the result. Here is an art gallery shot of Times Square, and this looks amazing. And here we have other styles that are completely different. Here we have one looking out of a car window. Here we have another one. Here's like a time blur effect, which looks really cool and also really realistic. And here's another one. It can also generate text really well. To test this out, let's try something crazy. Image of a gorilla in a jungle balancing a comically large yellow banana on its head. The gorilla is holding up a sign that says Nano Banana 2, and below that should be 10 features of what makes Nano Banana 2 better than Nano Banana. For this one, let's create 3 variations, and I want this to be larger because I might want to use this as the thumbnail for this video. So I'm going to select 16:9 and hit enter. And while this is creating it, let me also show you that it can create reference images really, really well. So for that, we need to upload an image, and I'm going to go with this shot. Select, I want 4 variations of this one, and hit enter. And while this is generating it, here are the shots of the gorilla. As you can see here, the attention to detail is great. This looks like a really realistic gorilla, and it says Nano Banana 2, 10 features better than Nano Banana. Ultra compact size, double the nutrition, instant ripening tech. And these are not related to Nano Banana, the technology that we're talking about, but since I didn't specify it based on the context of the gorilla, it was just making up facts of how Nano Banana 2 is better than just the banana. But the key takeaway is that the text is now better and has less errors in it. So you can use this for ad creatives or whenever you need to show text. I mean, look at this. This looks so realistic. And here are the shots. It copied me in my gray sweater. I'm holding up the banana. It has the text above it, and it gives me multiple variations that I can choose from. In particular, these all look a bit too clickbaity, so I can simply reprompt it to give me a better option. So I can specify a bit more information and just send out this prompt in order to get a better thumbnail image.
A few moments later.
And here are the shots. I'm wearing the same gray sweater. I have Nano Banana is epic without the stroke, and it looks way better than before. I like this one. And if you like any of these shots, you can either use Artlist to upscale the image on the bottom right corner. You can also edit it by using this as a source image, and you can say, And you can simply say something like, change the text to Nano Banana just dropped, and recreate it on the Artlist platform. And this makes my whole YouTube thumbnail process so much easier, because before this, I used to go into Photoshop and have to edit all of these sections on my own. But there's actually another use case for Nano Banana too, and that is to create ad creatives for your business in order to put them on advertising or to post them on your social media, like on Instagram or on X. And I actually created this in-depth AI marketing visuals prompt pack that shows you exactly how you can use AI in order to create ad images and videos in minutes. There are a few few prompts here that let you analyze your audience in order to figure out what kind of images they might want to see. And then there's really in-depth system prompts here that allow you to create really good AI image prompts. However, I also turned this into a custom GPT that lets you write the prompts for all of these images for you. So I could say, so to showcase this, I'm having this come up with different product ideas as well as different ad creatives for them. And for the purpose of this video, there's one that's apparel, one that's skincare, and one that's a smart jump rope with app tracking. So we can now go in here, use this prompt, and go back to Artlist, and let's create some of these images. Here's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one, and now here is the skincare routine, second prompt, third prompt, and for the jump rope, here's the first, here's the second, and the third.
A few moments later.
And here are all the shots that I created. Here are the shots for the trench coat. This looks awesome. Different model. Here it has text in it. This is a cool ad. This kind of gives me super agent vibes. Here are the skincare shots. You can even see the imperfections in her skin, which is really cool. And you can even see her reflection in the mirror. This is another great shot. A close-up of the product with the slight imperfections, making this look super realistic. Here's another one with text on it. And here are the jump rope shots in action. This looks really cool. I love that. Now, the power of using Artlist is that you can use any kind of AI image model, but I think Nano Banana 2 is really good, and I'm going to continue using this and testing this out. However, there's another model that was just released by ByteDance called Seedream 5. So let's see how that compares to Nano Banana. If we wanted to recreate this shot here, we can simply click on the three dots and click on recreate, and then now paste it in the prompt right here. But instead of Nano Banana 2, we can try out Nano Banana Pro, Artlist Original, or Seedream 5, which is also a great new model by ByteDance. And we can just send this off. Let's also create 2 images with this, and for comparison purpose, let's make that the same format. Let's create. Let's do the same with this one. And let's do the same with this one, as well as with the thumbnail. And instead of Nano Banana, we're going to say Nano Banana 2 versus Seedream 5.0 and create.
A few moments later.
So these ones are now created by Seedream 5. And this shot is also really good. You can see the sweat and the chalk. You can see the movement of the jump rope. The product placement is very prominent. Here's another one. You can even see the sweat. Here's the skincare routine, but she's looking away. So I'm not sure if it's on purpose that the reflection doesn't match the person. And here also the reflection, her arm is on the wrong side. Here are the ones of the trench coat. And here's the thumbnail, but I didn't upload my reference images. So if we wanted to recreate that, I should upload my reference image to make the comparison fair.
A few moments later.
And here are the shots that I created. So overall, I think this also looks good, but compared to Nano Banana, the other one is still better. I think Nano Banana 2 did a better job of copying my face. But if you look in terms of price, this one is only 200 credits, whereas Nano Banana 2 takes 600 credits. So it's 3 times as expensive. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention is that there's a new video model coming out that's called Seedance, and the videos that it creates are awesome. Check out this clip. And this is coming out on Artlist in just a few days or weeks, so stay tuned for when I make a video on this because I'm really excited by the quality of videos that it creates. Let me know down in the comments what else you want to see me create with this. And if you want to try out any of these on Artlist, go down and click on the link in the description and try it out yourself. This will also support the channel. And if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next video.